All right, let's start promoting your business on your social media. This is going out on your personal social media where you are letting your warm market know about this new business venture that you're in, that you're excited about it, and what they can do to help you. Remember, nobody can support your business if they don't know what you do. I waited until you were far enough in this program to where you know what you're doing. You know that the company is credible. You know that it helps people. You've seen all the testimonials. Let's help as many people as we can. And part of that is letting everyone you know how you can help small business owners so they can help spread the word for you and you can have a little leverage on your side, potentially. Again, this does not replace the direct sales aspect. I'm going to keep saying it, but why wouldn't you let everybody know what you do so that they can support you? So what you do not want to do when you do this is blast all the videos at the same time. We have a lot of marketing material for you to use. Take it easy. Drip it to the world. Don't blast it on the first day. Don't try to sell your service in your first post. I'm going to give you a sample here. We're not going to post something and say, send me everybody you know. Don't tag everyone you know publicly. Okay, so anyone that has experience with multi-level marketing, or maybe you have a family member or a friend that got into multi-level marketing and they went overboard and tried to recruit everybody they know and tried to sell you. Okay, that's not what you want to do. Nobody wants that. You don't want to make Thanksgiving and Christmas dinner awkward with your family by trying to push something on them. You're literally going to share what it is that you're excited about. So what you do want to do is share that enthusiasm in your first post. Promote your goal to help others. Share how you help people. And most importantly, you're asking for feedback. We are not asking for referrals when we first promote this. We are asking for feedback. So let me give you an example here of how you can get started with this. Again, this is to your warm market. This is on your personal social media. We're not here to sell. We're here to share. All right, so here's our site where we've created a bunch of digital assets for you to use and market with. You've got images back here. You've got videos back here. It's a great site. You can take this as far as you want and use our marketing and put it where you need to put it to promote and brand your business and what it is that you do. So the go-to video for me is this one. This one has testimonial videos in it, and it also explains the cash discount program. So for this video, I'm going to use this. We have merchant testimonials, like this is a vape shop. If you are going to promote specifically something to a vape shop, or you're building a page for vape and smoke shops, you would use a specific testimonial for that. But on this one, we're just introducing things to our warm market. So I want to give a broad overview. So you go to any of these and you just click share. I'm going to hit Control C. It's already highlighted, so I just copied the link to that video. Now let's jump over here to my Facebook. For training purposes, I already wrote this out, and here's a sample, okay? It doesn't mean it's perfect. You can write it how you want to, but again, I want people to know that I got into a new business, that I'm excited about it. I'm going to help business owners, and I'm literally asking for feedback. So this is what I would promote, something along this line. I wanted to ask my Facebook friends and family their opinions and or just let you know the business I've got into to help small business owners drastically increase their profits. I'm so excited about this because of how much it helps others. I held it in for the first couple of weeks, and now that I understand the business better, I wanted to share it and ask for your opinion. This video explains it for me, and you'll understand what I'm doing easier. I'm asking for feedback. Thanks for the support. Okay, we're not selling anything here. You can tell that we're excited about this new business venture. And in my opinion, it's important to let them know I held it in for a couple of weeks. Now that I understand the business better, I wanted to share and ask for your opinion. Right? It's not like you just learned about something yesterday and you're now branding it and promoting it to everybody you know. You can announce that, hey, I've been doing this for a couple of weeks. I actually know what it is, and this is why I'm so excited. This is real. And what I did is I copied that video earlier. I go right in here. I'm going to paste it. It's going to automatically create the video down here in the thumbnail and post. That's it, folks. That's the first step of letting your warm market and your inner world within Facebook and on your social media know what it is that you do. Go over to your Instagram, do the same thing. Put a post on Twitter. LinkedIn is going to be a little more professional. It's not so much warm market. So LinkedIn, could be a little bit different and more from a business perspective. But you want to let your warm market, now that you know and you're excited about the business and you can attest for the business, let them know what you're doing. That's my sample right there on how to let your warm market know what it is that you do. And then obviously, as people respond to that and they start giving you feedback, whether it's in the comments or whether it's in the direct messages or private messages, you can start to ask them if they know anybody or talk to them about the referrals. Again, you're not going to oversell them, but just let them know, I appreciate your feedback. Just so you know, as I'm getting this thing off the ground, I'm looking to lay a foundation. If you know anybody and refer me over to them, that would not only drastically help me, but I would love to share some of the revenue and give you some money for doing that. Again, some people will do it just because they want to help you out, and others might be motivated by making $100 for a referral. Either way, test the waters, get a little support on your side, and then go back to work banging on doors or picking up the phone making sales while this is working for you. Now you have a little leverage. Hopefully some referrals come from it, but over time, people will learn what you do and they'll think of you next time an opportunity comes up to be able to refer you business.